When men reach the age of 60 and beyond, energy often becomes the first thing that feels limited, and testosterone levels are not just a medical number, they represent vitality, drive, and the inner fire that makes a man feel alive. The beauty of nature is that it has already designed the tools for renewal, and the key is not found in complicated treatments, expensive supplements, or dangerous shortcuts, but in the consistency of small daily rituals that can change everything about how the body feels, moves, and performs. Imagine beginning the morning not with heaviness or sluggishness, but with a simple fruit that has the power to set your energy free. A single banana is far more than just a yellow fruit. It is nature's energy stabilizer, designed to feed your cells with potassium that fuels muscles, B vitamins that spark metabolism, and enzymes that may directly support testosterone production. When you eat that banana in the morning, you are not just having breakfast. You are telling your body, I am ready to move, I am ready to be strong, and I am ready to reclaim my day. Each bite fights fatigue, keeps blood sugar steady, and sets the stage for a sharper mood and a clearer mind. A man who starts his morning with energy instead of emptiness can walk into the day with confidence, and that confidence radiates in every interaction, whether with family, friends, or himself in the mirror. As the day moves forward, energy naturally dips, and this is where most men resign themselves to feeling tired. But you don't have to. In the afternoon, when energy fades, when focus begins to slip, and when motivation weakens, you can lift your entire system with a handful of grapes. Red grapes in particular are not ordinary fruit. They carry resveratrol, a compound so powerful that scientists continue to study it for its ability to protect the very cells that make testosterone. When you eat grapes, you are not just snacking. You are protecting your masculinity at the cellular level. You are fortifying your heart. You are defending your stamina, and you are giving your body the strength to keep pushing even when age tries to tell you otherwise. That handful of grapes is more than sweetness. It is a shield against decline, a natural safeguard for energy, and a quiet but powerful message to your body that strength is still yours. Evening comes, and for many men over 60, this is when the body feels its weakest, when energy is lowest, when mood declines, and when aches remind you of the years gone by. But this is the moment to give your body the fruit that kings and warriors once considered the ultimate symbol of strength, the pomegranate. Its deep red juice is loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation, open blood vessels, and support circulation in ways that enhance testosterone, stamina, and vitality. One glass of pomegranate juice in the evening does more than quench thirst. It repairs what the day has taken, it restores what time has weakened, and it awakens what may have been silent for too long. The compounds inside pomegranate are proven to raise testosterone levels, not in theory but in measurable ways, and that means better energy, stronger performance, and sharper mental drive. When this pattern becomes a routine, something remarkable happens inside the body. Morning bananas create balance and drive, afternoon grapes protect and strengthen, and evening pomegranate heals and restores. This simple cycle works with your body's natural rhythm, supporting energy when it is needed most, protecting cells when they are most vulnerable, and fueling testosterone when it is naturally lowest. You are no longer guessing about health or relying on random habits. You are aligning yourself with a daily plan that transforms not just how you feel but who you become. The beauty of this routine is not its complexity but its simplicity, because the greatest breakthroughs in health are not found in overwhelming plans that nobody can follow but in small, repeatable actions that anyone can do consistently. 3 fruits, 3 moments, 1 routine that can redefine what it means to age. Men over 60 often believe their best years are behind them, but when you give your body the right signals every single day, you discover that strength is not a number, it is a choice, and energy is not lost with age, it is rebuilt with consistency. Each banana is a daily declaration that fatigue will not rule your morning. Each handful of grapes is a reminder that your cells are still capable of strength. Each glass of pomegranate juice is a promise that recovery and vitality are always possible. And when you combine them together, they form a foundation of health that no supplement or quick fix can match, because this is food the way nature intended, and nature does not fail when you work with it instead of against it. A man who follows this plan begins to notice subtle changes first: better mood, more stable energy, improved sleep, sharper focus. Then the bigger shifts arrive: less belly fat, more muscle retention, stronger stamina in physical activity, and a renewed drive that spreads into every area of life. Testosterone is not just a hormone, it is the fuel behind motivation, the chemistry of confidence, the silent power that makes a man wake up with purpose. These three fruits act as natural allies to bring that power back into balance, not with force but with nourishment, not with danger but with healing. Think about how many men your age accept weakness as normal, how many accept fatigue as unavoidable, how many believe low energy is just part of aging. But you do not have to accept that story, because you have the chance to write a new one, and it begins with something as simple as choosing to eat with purpose. This daily plan is not about food, it is about freedom. Freedom from the idea that life after 60 is about slowing down, freedom from the belief that masculinity fades with age, freedom from the quiet fear that vitality is gone forever. Consistency is the secret, because testosterone is not built in a single day, and energy is not restored in a single meal. It is the man who shows up every day, who gives his body what it needs, who stays disciplined, that reaps the reward. If you give your body these three fruits daily, you are not just eating, you are training your biology to fight back, to repair, to rebuild, and to reignite. The body listens to repetition, and when it receives the same signals again and again, it adapts, it grows stronger, it responds. Every morning when you peel that banana, see it as fuel for strength. Every afternoon when you take those grapes, see them as armor protecting your vitality. Every evening when you drink that pomegranate juice, see it as a fire lighting up your inner power. 3 fruits, 3 choices, 3 victories, repeated daily, and together they create a transformation that no man over 60 should live without.